Welcome back to Korean Step by Step. In this lesson, we'll cover restaurant, booking, ordering, paying. Practice the full restaurant flow, seating, ordering, and paying. This word means there are two of us. Is there a table? Listen.
두 명인데 자리 있어요?
This word means I'd like to make a reservation for 7 p.m. tonight. Listen.
오늘 저녁 7시에 예약하고 싶어요.
This word means could we sit by the window? Listen.
창가 자리로 앉을 수 있을까요?
This word means how long do we have to wait? Listen.
얼마나 기다려야 해요?
This word means please give me the menu. What do you recommend? Listen.
메뉴판 좀 주세요. 추천 메뉴가 뭐예요?
This word means one of these and two bibimbap. Please listen.
이거 하나랑 비빔밥 2개 주세요.
This word means could you make it less spicy? Listen.
덜 맵게 해주실 수 있어요?
This word means more water, please. Can I get a refill? Listen.
물 좀 더 주세요. 리필 돼요?
This word means does this have peanuts? I have an allergy. Listen.
여기 땅콩 들어가요? 알레르기가 있어서요.
This word means I didn't order this. Listen.
이건 주문 안 했는데요.
Here's a summary table. Let's read the examples.
주문이요. 채식 메뉴 포장이요. 반찬 안 매운 걸로 1인분.
Ham dishes with guide meat or stew servings with inban. This word means check. Please, we'll pay separately. Listen.
계산서 주세요. 따로따로 계산할게요.
This word means I'll pay by card. I'll pay in cash. Listen.
카드로 할게요. 현금으로 할게요.
This word means receipt, please. Listen.
영수증 주세요.
Oh, you usually pay at the counter, not the table, and there's no tipping in Korea. Now let's practice. Read these out loud before I do.
두 명인데 자리 있어요? 오늘 저녁 7시에 예약하고 싶어요. 창가 자리로 앉을 수 있을까요? 얼마나 기다려야 해요? 메뉴판 좀 주세요. 추천 메뉴가 뭐예요?
Great job. Try them again on your own. Let's recap what we covered today. Reservation and seating, ordering, counting orders, paying. Great work. Practice restaurant, booking, ordering, paying with native audio and quizzes at korean.mycorepic.com. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson.